Hello, sir. My name is Hamza Khalid, and I am presenting my project like the library person with the solar panels and the space for learning, and the building things made from recycled materials and open to everyone. So today I will presenting the process of map of our library project, which will guide us through the various phases from April to August. This is the general overview of my project. The goal is to build a sustainable library with the solar panels and the spaces for learning and building things from recycled materials and open to everyone. The process map we have developed includes four main phases: initiation, planning, execution, and handover. Each phase is broken down into key tasks with a focus of sustainability. At every stage, our timeline covers a period from April to August, ensuring that all risks smoothly flow and efficiently. Let's begin to the one stage initiation, which starts in the April, and the first task includes the finalizing the project and the design and the consulting with the stakeholders to gather feedback. They give the feedback. During this stage, we also focus on the procurement materials, ensuring we also recycle and sustainable materials. The goal is to establish a solid foundation for the project, setting the stage for the planning and execution phases. And the key task of the first initiation is the finalizing project design, stakeholder holder consolations, material procurement, and sustainability focus. And moving toward the next stage is the planning and the execution, which starts in the May and run until August. This is where to bulk of the work happens. In this phase, we will install solar panels, lay the foundations, and begin the construction of the library framework. The task will focus on making sure everything in energy efficient to build to last till last. And there are the key tasks in it. It's like the solar and installations, which tasks may the building and the framework and the energy efficiency assessments. There is a sustainability focus on it: solar panels, energy efficient designs, and use of eco-friendly materials. The next stage is the breakdown for the planning and execution. Sorry. Within this phase, there are several key tasks followed of the logical sequences. For example, once the project managers begins work, the program will take on the installation of solar panels. We have planned the tasks such that they complement each other and allow for more timely progress. Additionally, key decision points have been established at every stage to ensure that we are meeting our sustainability goals. In this task, there was a different task names: finalizing procurement, site financing, temporary site office, site leveling, footing layout, casting, reinforcement, enforcement, base curing, waterproofing, solar area installations. And they all have the starting and the finish dates, like the 10 to 15 days, 10 days, and other. And they were in this step were the main important thing is the stakeholders, some of the suppliers, contractor, engineers, site engineers, energy constructions, all the mentions in the slides. Actually, the stakeholder engagement is essential throughout the process, from the initiation phase, where we consult with the local residents, to the handover phase, where we deliver the completed library to the community. Outreach program will ensure that everyone is involved and informed. And the final phase is the handover, where we hand over the ensure the library. But before the handover, we have the solar rail installations, wiring, and inverter. These are all the tasks like I mentioned. The brief, the sustainability is the critical aspect of the projects. And and the final phase is the handover, where we ensure all. That's the final phase. is the handover where we ensure the library is ready for the public use. We will conduct a final inspections to ensure that all energy efficient systems are functioning as intended and that sustainability standards have been met. The library will be handed over with the potential solar panel, water saving systems, and fully community engagements. There are some of the key tasks like the final inspection, community handover, ensuring all systems are operational. On overall the conclusion, the process map clearly lays out the steps for the library project and that there is a Gantt chart in mention all of the thing concept of the sketch reviews, 2 weeks plan for drafting, redesigning, and the stakeholder meetings. I am talking about the conclusions. The process map clearly lays out the steps from the library projects from initiation to handover, ensuring that each phase is well planned and exceeds to meet both sustainability and community goals. Our focus on energy efficiency, like recycling, engagement, ensures that this library will be a space of learning, building, contributing to the future of the community. And this is not the project phase and all of the two reports attached with the file. Thank you so much.